Hi, we're glad you're here. We think this series of videos will help you understand the positives and negatives of a reverse mortgage. We know a reverse mortgage isn't right for everyone, but for many it is the perfect solution. Once you watch the videos, we believe you'll have a better understanding of reverse mortgages and be able to make an educated decision about what's best for you.
Hi, today Ginger and I are going to talk about the steps required to get a reverse mortgage. There are 6 steps to get the reverse mortgage. The first step is to make an application with a lender. The loan officer will explain the program to you and answer all your questions. If you think it's the right option for you, you'll then sign the application that's provided to you by the loan officer. As part of that application, an estimate will be made on the value of your house subject to the appraisal. You'll be given a projected amount that you are to receive.
The second step is to obtain reverse mortgage counseling. Sometimes this is done before the application, sometimes after. Let me explain how this works. HUD requires the borrower to participate in a counseling session, and that lasts half an hour, sometimes to an hour. It can be done over the phone or in person. The counselor will cover specific topics, including aspects of the program, as well as any alternatives you might have. Counseling is done through an independent, HUD-approved counseling agency, and the counselor's unbiased, not associated with the lender.
Customers sometimes ask why counseling is required. The biggest reason is to make sure the customer really understands the program and doesn't have any misunderstandings.
The third step is the customer meets the loan processor. While the loan officer is still involved, usually the primary point of contact shifts to the loan processor once the application and counseling are complete. She'll call and introduce herself, and additionally, she'll coordinate with you when it's convenient to have the appraiser come to your home and do the appraisal.
The fourth step is to do the appraisal. How much money you get depends on this appraisal, so this is really the most important thing in the whole process. The appraiser will inspect your house, then will determine the value based on comparable sales in the neighborhood over the past 6 to 12 months.
The fifth step after the loan amount is determined by the appraisal is the signing of the loan documents. Usually a representative of the title company will come to your home at a time that's convenient for you. A few days before closing, the loan officer will call you and review the final numbers. The loan officer will make sure that you're receiving the amount that you anticipated and that you're happy with the amount based on the appraisal.
Now the sixth step is the best. That's when you get your money. You notice how Ginger's face lit up?
Well, of course, that's the point of all this. You get your money. And here's how that works. After you sign the closing papers, they are returned to the title company. You have 3-day right of rescission. And after that right of rescission passes, the loan's funded by the title company. The money is usually wired directly into your bank account. So basically, the money is there in about 5 days after you sign the closing papers.
In sum, the whole process takes about 30 days once you sign your application.
Thank you for watching. Enjoy our other videos. We hope they're helpful, and we also hope you'll call us if you'd like more information or you have any questions. We'd like you to remember, life is a blessing. To get a better understanding of the positive and negatives of a reverse mortgage, you can view the entire series of free videos at rmeducator.com. We hope to see you there.